Here's a quick delicious dish with green beans and coconut that will transform your sides and save you a lot of time. See, I'm using frozen beans. It saves you from the trimming and the cleaning time. Just microwave that while your pan heats up. Add some olive oil and then add those beans in that pan. Make sure to mop up any excess moisture before you add the beans to the pan to make that cooking process faster. Then just toss, add salt, add pepper, add garlic cloves minced along with coconut flakes, and then just let that roast in that pan. You want some color. Color is flavor, and once you see some browning, well, taste and serve. Now, if you do have extra time, you can use fresh beans. Just make sure to trim the stems, wash it well, and you could go the extra mile and blanch the green beans for about 30 seconds to a minute in boiling water before you pop it in a cold bowl of water to preserve that green color. It kind of shocks it onto the veggies before you saute it in the pan. That'll give you fresher, greener looking fresh green beans.